Hi friends, this video shows how to reset internet settings and fix all internet related issues. First go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down, then select general management, tap on general management, then go down, then select reset, then select reset network settings. This will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you are facing issue with mobile data or internet, you can just reset internet settings and fix all internet related issues. Tap on this reset settings button, then again tap on this reset button. Done, network settings reset. This is safe, it won't delete any of your images or videos. It just reset the internet settings. So this way we can reset internet settings and fix all internet related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.